Alright, welcome back to the channel. Do you have a C4 Corvette with the L98 where maybe you got a little bit of a vacuum leak? It's not running quite right because your boot is all dead. Let me show you the intake boot that I'm talking about. You can see mine's got tape on it. My idle goes up and down. This may not be the actual problem, but there's some holes that I've covered up with electrical tape, which is not the proper way to fix it. So we're going to replace it with this high quality silicone boot that I got from eBay. Should be pretty simple. This is definitely like 1 out of 5 tools to fix, you know, range. Some things are harder, some things are easier. This is easier. I would think most everybody can do it. So let's go ahead and put this here. So first, let's just see what we've got. I'll put the link in the description. First, you got the silicone intake boot. It's specialized to the L98 for the Corvette and probably the Camaro and stuff. As you see, the one side has a smaller diameter than the other side that's larger, like so. The top one's oval, which it'll obviously squeeze to fit. It also came with some new super high quality hose clamps. These are definitely not just regular cheap ass steel that's gonna rust in 2 weeks. So I don't know, you might want to use the original clamps instead of these, because these are junk. As long as these original hose clamps are not damaged, there's no reason not to use them. So we'll start by taking the old boot off. Pretty simple. Unscrew it. Unscrew it. Now, should pull off pretty easy. This is a good time to clean your throttle body if you haven't already. Mine is clean. Now you see how this one is nice and it's accordion, so you can bend it in. The new one's not going to be so great. So this doesn't fit. I'm sure you can squeeze it in, but I think we're going to do the smart thing and just take off the air intake. It's got a couple screws to undo and it will come right off. Go. Okay, don't lose them. Now you can lift this off. You should need to undo the mass airflow. That should give us enough room. I would start with this one. It should slide on. I mean, you could always probably use some kind of lubricant. Then we're gonna have to get this one on. Probably easier with 2 hands, but I'm here for you guys. So just slip it right on. You just push it back on. Till it's on all the way. There we go. And then we're just going to do the reverse here. Tighten up the hose clamps. Put these guys back in. And there you go. High performance. It's got to be 20, 30 horsepower more. Easily.